ABN News International।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं हूँ आयशा शबीर और आप देख रहे हैं ABN न्यूज़ इंटरनेशनल। नजर डालते हैं आज की अहम खबरों पर।
The US has begun a naval blockade targeting Iranian-linked shipping in the Strait of Hormuz. Donald Trump has even threatened to intercept any vessel in international waters that has paid a transit fees to Iran. Logistics aside, let's get something clear. The Strait of Hormuz is not some open, borderless waterway. It sits within the territorial waters of Iran and Oman. Under international law, a country controls up to 12 nautical miles of water from its coast. The strait itself is only about 21 miles wide, which means these waters overlap. In simple terms, the Strait of Hormuz is the sovereign territory of Iran and Oman. They get to control it. Yes, there's something called innocent passage. Both civilian and military ships can pass through as long as they're not spying, polluting, fishing, or engaging in hostile activity. Basically, behave and you can pass through. Until recently, Iran allowed that passage freely to every country. But now that the US and Israel have imposed a war on Iran, Tehran has the right to restrict access to its territorial waters, decide which ships get through, and even impose transit fees. Ask yourself this. During a war, would the United States ever allow foreign vessels to freely move through its own waters? Absolutely not. It's the same principle here. Trump is talking about blocking Iranian ships, not just in Hormuz, but across the Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman, effectively boxing them in. Under international law, a blockade like this is an act of war and violates any ceasefire. That's why China, for the first time, has openly stepped in, warning the US that it will not tolerate any disruption to its energy trade with Iran through Hormuz. If this continues, there's a risk the conflict could widen beyond the region. Meanwhile, the US is looking increasingly isolated. No major ally has stepped forward to lend a hand in controlling Hormuz. And realistically, the US alone cannot sustain such a ridiculous blockade of one of the world's busiest and most strategic waterways for long. Besides, Iran is already using the Belt and Road Initiative and Caspian Sea corridors to trade with China, Russia and other partners. Essentially, the US is ready to spend billions on blocking the Strait of Hormuz when Iran is not even fully dependent on it anymore. These overland and northern routes reduce reliance on traditional maritime choke points, effectively bypassing the Persian Gulf, the Strait of Hormuz, the Gulf of Oman, and the US military.
मजीद खबरों और अपडेट्स के लिए देखते रहें ABN न्यूज़ इंटरनेशनल।
Subscribe and keep watching ABN News International।